What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add text to your image in Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up Photoshop and make sure to select the Type tool in your toolbar on the left hand side. The shortcut key is T. In case you are unable to find it, then make sure to select it under Edit Toolbar. When this is done, simply click on your canvas and you can start typing your text. In some cases, your text will default to the white color, making it hard or impossible to read. To change the color of your text, use the shortcut Ctrl and A. This will highlight all of your text, and then click on this colored box to open up your color picker window. After selecting the correct color, you have some additional basic text manipulation options on top here. But I suggest using the Character and Properties windows, where you have more options to change your text. In case you're unable to find these windows, then navigate to Window and enable them. Here, under Character, you can change the text font. Simply highlight your text and select a new font from this drop-down menu. Below, you have more options such as changing the text font size, leading size, and kerning between characters. Under Paragraph, you have the option to change your text alignment and toggle hyphenation. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.